Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you're all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this cat hammock or cat swing. So let's get started. Take 8 cords 150 inches long, gather them, fold them, and then make a wrapping knot to make a loop. Then divide them into 4 groups. Each group will have 4 cords. And then start making some square knots by initially leaving 2 inches of distance from above, and then make some square knots. So here you can see I just did 4 square knots in a row for all the groups, and then I will make some switch square knots. Now take a wooden bead and then add this bead under this switch square knot. So this is a second switch square knot, and this is 2 inches long knot. Now create the same pattern in all the groups like this. So I made 3 square knots, and then I created one more switch square knot, and now you can see I'm adding a bead again. So just repeating the same pattern as we did earlier, I completed this, and now few more square knots. So this is how I completed the square knots. These are 8 square knots in total. Now I'm adding 14 inches of metal ring. This is wrapped by cotton rope. This is a plastic ball I wrapped by the help of cotton rope using glue. Now we will add this ring to the design we just made. As you can see, this is 14 inches long. One by one, add the ring to the upper design by the help of double half hitches. Your ring should be balanced and stable, and it should be very securely done. So as you can see, I am making double half hitches right now. So now I'm adding these 40 inches of ropes, and in each group I will add 8 cords by the help of reverse locks and knot like this. You can see the ring is balanced, straight and stable. Now add the cords. We have 4 sets right now, and we have to add total number of 32 cords as shown. Now I'm making square knots underneath these reverse lark's head knots with a pair which I just added. Now I'm making alternative square knot row, and I will leave at least 2 inches of distance between the first and second row like this, because I need a wider mesh. So I have made this all around the ring, and this is the third row of square knots I am doing right now. Carefully gather all the ropes and make a grand knot or wrapping knot here. You have to adjust all the ropes very smoothly and carefully, because this is the bed of the cat swing. Now I'm making this gathering knot and secure it properly and tightly. So we just completed our project today. I hope you loved this beautiful cat hammock or cat swing. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.